Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you in the lecture of Class 4, subject English Reasoning. And today's our topic is logical arrangement. This is our lecture 3, in which we will recall the previous things which we have discussed in the previous lectures. I will recall the things which we have discussed in the previous lecture. So let's continue. So the contents in this lecture will be, we will recall the definition, we will recall the sentences which we have done earlier, few sentences only. Then I will discuss the homework solution of the previous lecture, and then I will assign some homework also. So let's begin. So here is the definition. Logical arrangement is the meaningful arrangement of words in accordance with the natural law. In English, it accordance with the rule of English grammar. So you very well know that here we have to arrange words into sentence, into meaningful sentence, I can say, and you have to take for granted that you have to take care of the capital letters, you have to take care of the punctuation marks, and you have to take care that the sentence which you are making should be meaningful. Let me show you with the help of examples. As I have told that we have discussed these sentences earlier also, so today I am going to recall these sentences as the words are given: your, you done, have, classwork. So you very well know that how to arrange these words into sentence. First you have to check from the given options, like we will check first option, then second, then third, then fourth. In this, our fourth option is correct. So our sentence will be: have you done your classwork? Have you done your classwork? Now let's discuss the next one. Working, they are very hard. Now let's check first option, 1, 3, 4, 2. So 1 working, 3 is are, 4 is very hard, they. So it can't be a sentence. Then 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. They are working very hard. So this is the sentence. So no need to check the further options. So let's write this sentence. So here is the sentence: they are working very hard, and full stop will come. So in this manner, you have to arrange the words into logical arrangement. Now we will discuss the homework solution of previous lecture. Now here is the homework solution of previous lecture. Homework solution: my food eating will be I. So let's check from the options 4, 1, 3, 2. 4. I, my food will be eating. So it can't be a sentence. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2 eating my food will be I. So this will be not a sentence. Now let's check third one. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4. I will be eating my food. So this is our sentence, and this option will be correct. So we will put tick over here and we will write the answer. I will be eating my food, and full stop will come. So this is your correct answer of this particular sentence. Now discuss the second one. This subject learned we have. So let's check the first option. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2. Subject learned we have this. So this is not correct. Now 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1. We have this subject learned. So this is not correct. 4213. We have subject this learned. This is not correct. So last but not the least, our fourth is correct. 4312. We have learned this subject. So this is our sentence. Let us write. We have learned this subject, and full stop will come. So in this manner you have to do these arrangements. Now the next one, coming here are you tomorrow. So we will check the first one, 4 1 2 3. We will put numbers over here, 1 2 3 4. So 4 1, tomorrow coming. So it cannot be a sentence. 3 1, are you here? No, it can't be a sentence. It is not meaningful. 3 1 4 2. 3 1 2 4. 3 1, are you coming here tomorrow? So it is correct. We will tick over here and we will write the answer. Are you coming here tomorrow? And question mark will come because it is a question. We are asking something and first letter will be capital. So let's discuss another one. Plays David and cricket tennis. So 4 3 2 1, tennis and cricket. No, it can't be a sentence. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 can't be a sentence. Then third one, 2 1 4 3. 2, David plays tennis and cricket. It is correct. So we will put tick over here and we will write the answer over here. Let me show you the answer for it. David plays tennis and cricket, and full stop will come. I hope you understood. Now the next one, is the purpose what of learning? So you have to do in same manner. You have to check all the parts and in this B part is correct. We will tick over here and write the sentence. What is the purpose of learning? And question mark will come because it is a question. It belongs to WH family. Now the next one, sore throat has a child the. So again we will recheck from the options A, B, C, D. We have to check all the options. First we will check the first one, 4 3 2 1. 4, the child has a sore throat. So it is correct. Let's write the sentence for it. The child has a sore throat, and full stop will come. Now let's discuss the next one. Now the next one, what dress a vow? What dress a vow? So vow, what a dress. Vow, it is an imperative sentence. Sorry, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory mark will come. Vow, what a dress, and full stop will come over here. So this is the sentence for it. Now next, tell will me name your you. So in this manner you have to check the all subparts and you have to check the answer for it, and then you have to tick the correct option. So in it, second part is correct, and let's write the answer for it. Will you tell me your name? Question mark. So that is the homework solution which I have discussed with you. Now let me tell you the homework. Now today's homework is that you have to recall all the logical arrangements and do correction work. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you. Have a good day.